This is Christopher Mosier from My Media Helper. In the summer and warmer months, I like to take day trips to small towns found around western and central New York. Walking these towns, you always find things of interest and can marvel at the small town architecture. There's always a local bar for a beer to be had or a place to get yourself a hot coffee. This time out, we'll be walking around the town of Bath, New York, and my parents used to camp at a place called Hickory Hill, right outside of town. The name has been changed to the Hammondsport/Bath KOA Resort over the years, and I haven't visited this area since I was a kid with my parents. Charles Williamson purchased 1,200,000 acres of land on April 11th of 1792 from Robert Morris, who had purchased the tract of land commonly known as the Pulteney Estate in western New York from Oliver Phelps and Nathaniel Gorham in 1790. Mr. Williamson renounced his British citizenship in 1792 and became a United States citizen, thus able to own property in America. Mr. Williamson built a mansion called Springfield Farm near Lake Salabria in Bath, I guess it's pronounced. Charles Williamson died in 1808, and the farm passed into other hands. Agriculture has played an important part in the economy of Bath through the years, and the Steuben County Fair, formed in 1819 and located in the village of Bath, is noted to be the longest continuously running fair in the United States. Lumbering and sawmills also played an important role in the development of the town of Bath. Babcock Ladder Company was founded in 1905 by William Wallace Babcock. Lane Pipe Corporation was established in 1934 by Raymond T. Lane. In April 1951, Westinghouse Electric Corporation was planned for a 73-acre site on State Route 54 in Bath. In 1982, notice was received that North American Phillips planned to purchase the Westinghouse plant. Bath has been the location of a Soldier and Sailors Home Veterans Administration Center since 1877, when the cornerstone was laid for the first building of the New York State Soldiers and Sailors Home, and on Christmas Day of 1878, 25 Civil War veterans were housed in the new facility. Since 1930, the facility has been the Federal Veterans Administration Medical Center. The Steuben ARC was founded in 1964 to serve area special needs individuals. Classes met in churches in Hornell, Corning, and Bath until the services were moved to the Industrial Park in January of 1981. Home to the longest continuously running county fair in the United States, as I mentioned, Bath maintains its small-town quaintness through its historic buildings and architecture, as well as its grand town square where people still gather for everything from farmer markets and live music to other traditional celebrations and events. Bath is close to many favorite tourist locations, such as numerous wineries along Cayuga Lake, the Curtis Museum of Hammondsport, and the Corning Museum of Glass in Corning. Cayuga Lake, one of the Finger Lakes, boasts many venues for recreational activities, particularly in the summer when tourism peaks. Bath is within a 1-hour drive to two stellar New York State parks, one in Branchport at Cayuga State Park and another at Watkins Glen State Park. Nearby Watkins Glen boasts a nationally recognized NASCAR road course where many summertime race events are held. The town of Bath is bisected by the Cohocton River Valley in the northwest to southeast. Outside the Cohocton River Valley and the valleys of its major tributaries, which are generally flat, the town is characterized by steep slopes and narrow valleys. Floodplains occur along the Cohocton River with association wetland areas. An extensive series of wetlands exists along State Route 226 outside Savannah and is associated with Mud Creek, which drains La Mocha and Juanita Lakes north of town. Not sure if I pronounced this correctly. Covering nearly 100 square miles, the town of Bath, New York is a rural area, populated area containing numerous small farms. Folks there have been growing, harvesting, and enjoying local grown food as long as can be remembered. And visitors can enjoy the bounty of fresh farm-to-table foods at the Bath Farmers Market and other farm stands, or in one of the Finger Lakes restaurants across the region.